this video, I'll be showing you how to format your SD card on your Samsung Galaxy phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's two different ways to go ahead and do this, and it's very useful, especially if you're trying to clean up space and ensure that the file system is optimized for your device. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find an option that is just known as battery or device care, for example. Go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and tap on storage. Once you tap on storage, you're going to see a breakdown of your internal storage. So then just swipe left or tap the drop down menu and tap select your SD card. And then once you go ahead and do that, basically you got to start formatting. So once on the SD card screen, tap the three little dots and then tap format. A confirmation window is going to appear, and then just tap format again. And then once you do, the progress bar will move quickly. Don't remove the card or turn off the phone during this time. And in the same SD card menu, if it says disconnected, tap the three dots and then select mount, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.